Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pause watch history on YouTube TV. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the settings option. In your settings, by default, you will be on this membership page, but you will have to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on privacy. Now in the privacy, you will see the option of pause watch history. So by default, it will be turned off, but you will have to turn it on. So in order to turn it on, you simply need to tap on it and then it will show you this disclaimer that says this will pause your watch history across all YouTube applications. Your personal recommendations will no longer be up to date. So still, if you want to pause it, you need to simply click on pause, and now as you can see that the toggle button is in the red color, meaning that you have successfully paused your watch history on YouTube TV. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.